So we have a Power Jack 8000 test run. A lot of people have said this inverter cannot handle 8000 watt. So I'm about to prove to you it doesn't. My load today is a heater with 2 pumps. Basically the hot tub. So we're going to gradually increase the load. Right. Here we go. Right, that's the heater, so that's 1500 watt of heat. Now we have, oh, here we go. So she's comfortably sitting now, 4000 watt. But the minute I turn the second pump on, we'll have power failure. There we go. Power Jack, you can't handle the heat.